The Gift of the Nile, multiple choice. Type your letter answer choice in the gray box next to the multiple choice question. Number 1. The 3 pyramids at Giza were built during the A. Old Kingdom, B. Middle Kingdom, C. New Kingdom, or D. Late Kingdom. Number 2. Pharaoh's tombs were blank their palaces. A. Not as important as, B. More important than, C. As important as, or D. Underneath. Number 3. A person's blank body was called the Ka. A. Physical, B. Social, C. Spiritual, D. Earthly. Number 4. Tombs were filled with supplies like blank and even pets. A. Chairs, B. Weapons, C. Foods, D. All of the above. And number 5. The largest of the 3 pyramids was built by A. King Khufu, B. Herodotus, C. King Tutankhamun, or D. Cleopatra.